Some think their car left the factory without refrigerant, but that's rare. Let's see how it's really added, and why missing it is unlikely. First, a thin high-pressure hose and a thicker low-pressure hose are set on the prep station. Then, a combined high and low-pressure line is attached and fastened with 2 nuts to hold everything tight. Next, before putting in the lines, they add 2 clips, one on the frame rail and one on the right side of the engine bay. Then the hose assembly is mounted to the expansion valve behind the dash. The lines snap into the clips we just mentioned earlier. That expansion valve is hooked up to the evaporator box. That's where the magic starts. Refrigerant turns into a gas and pulls heat out of the air inside the car. Then they connect the high-pressure plug. Once that connection is screwed in, they snap the firewall cover back into place and secure the latch so nothing comes loose. In the chassis stage, they pull off the dust cap from the compressor and connect the low-pressure line. A high-pressure intake pipe gets mounted too, and they lock it down with 2 screws. The compressor turns the low-pressure gas into high-pressure, high-temp gas to drive cooling. Then, workers connect the high-pressure and return lines to the condenser, locking them in with 2 screws. The condenser cools that gas into a high-pressure liquid. Finally, the refrigerant is filled. A vacuum is pulled first, then the system is charged. If it passes, the system is sealed and logged. The car's computer shows the result, and red means it failed. So, could it ever be missed? Maybe, but with all these checks, it's really unlikely.